Looking for the best electric table grill that fits your kitchen or outdoor setup? Stick around. We've tested and ranked 5 top contenders to help you find the perfect match. Kicking off our list is the Swissmar Raclette Grill, a charming option if you're into cozy communal meals. It ranks 5th in our lineup, not because it lacks quality, but because it's more specialized than versatile. This grill is perfect for social settings like family gatherings or dinner parties where everyone cooks their own bite-sized treats right at the table. The unit comes with a reversible cast iron plate, grill on one side, crepe maker on the other, and serves up to 8 people. It's ideal for melted cheese, veggies, or breakfast items. If you're someone who enjoys leisurely dining with a European twist, it might be right up your alley. Compared to other models on our list, it's not about high heat or searing. It's about interaction and sharing. But here's the trade-off. It's not a traditional grill. You're not going to get smoky flavors or intense grill marks here. It's not built for steaks or large portions either. Plus, the cast iron makes cleaning and handling a bit more involved than with non-stick surfaces. So who should buy this? If you love hosting dinner nights with a DIY vibe and don't mind swapping steaks for raclette cheese and grilled veggies, this one's for you. But if you're after a versatile everyday grill, let's keep moving. Next up in 4th place is the Bella Electric Griddle, and it's all about simplicity. This one's ideal for pancakes, eggs, or a quick stir fry. It's flat, non-stick, and super easy to clean, which makes it awesome for busy mornings. What makes the Bella shine is the built-in warming tray, so you can keep food hot while you're still cooking. It heats up quickly and offers a generous cooking area without taking up much space. Plus, the non-stick surface is reinforced with titanium and ceramic, making it durable and health conscious, free of those nasty chemicals. But here's the catch, it's not really a grill. You won't get grill lines, char marks, or anything close to outdoor flavor. It's a flat top through and through. Great for breakfast, but limited for anything requiring a real sear. Still, if your idea of grilling leans more toward convenience than complexity, this could be a solid choice. Perfect for small kitchens, first apartments, or anyone who loves cooking up a hearty breakfast. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, go ahead and like this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future reviews. In 3rd place is the Elite Gourmet Indoor Grill, a budget-friendly option that gives you decent grilling without stepping outside. If you're tight on space but still want that grill feel, this one's a smart pick. It features a 14-inch non-stick surface with a vented glass lid to trap heat and reduce splatter. The temperature control is adjustable up to 450 degrees, and when you're done, you can just toss most parts in the dishwasher. Very beginner-friendly. It's a step up from a griddle because it mimics a grill's round layout and has a bit more room for variety. The downsides, well, it's still an indoor grill, so don't expect flame-kissed flavor or the sear of a real grill grate. It also lacks a smoker box or advanced features. You'll get good results for burgers or veggies, but serious grillers may want more. That said, if you're after convenience, easy cleanup, and enough space to cook for a small group, the Elite Gourmet delivers well above its price point. Let's keep going. We're getting into the heavy hitters now. Runner-up on our list is the Hamilton Beach Searing Grill. This one gets a lot right, especially for indoor grilling. If you're looking for a grill that mimics outdoor cooking without stepping foot outside, this is it. With a top temperature of 450 degrees, it gives you a solid sear on burgers, chicken, or even steaks. The grill plate is removable and dishwasher safe, and it even comes with a drip tray and a viewing lid so you can watch your food cook without letting heat escape. Now, it's not perfect. The cooking surface is a bit tight if you're feeding more than a few people, and while it sears well, it's not truly smokeless, so you'll still want decent ventilation. Some users also report wear and tear over time, especially with the non-stick coating. But overall, this one's a fantastic all-around choice for apartment dwellers or anyone who wants real grill results indoors. It balances performance, price, and ease of use really well. And topping our list, no surprise here, is the Ninja Woodfire Pro XL. This beast of a machine isn't just a grill, it's a smoker, an air fryer, a roaster, and a full-on outdoor cooking station. With a huge grilling surface and a smart thermometer built in, you can grill 2 chickens or a dozen burgers without blinking. What makes this one stand out is its wood pellet smoke box, adding real smoke flavor to electric grilling. That's a game changer for people who want the taste of charcoal or wood fire without the hassle. Plus, it's got the power and space to serve a crowd. But it is big and heavy. It's also outdoor only and needs a power outlet and wood pellets to work its magic. So it's not something you'll just plug in on a kitchen counter. Still, if you're serious about grilling and want one machine that can do it all, smoke, grill, crisp, roast, this is your winner. And by the way, links to all the products in this review at the best available price are down in the description, so don't forget to check them out. There you have it, 5 very different electric grills, ranked and reviewed. Make sure to explore the top models using the links in the video description, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on product reviews.